Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I'm doing a camera test with the Google Pixel 6 Pro. I will be testing out the cameras to its fullest. This is in 4K at 60 frames per second. I'm gonna come back at 4K at 30 and then 1080p at 60 and 30. Y'all gonna see some photos and some nighttime photos and videos too. But what y'all think about this? How is the mic and how does everything look? The Pixel 6 Pro has been the most anticipated, most hyped phone, I think, for Google ever. And they updated the camera, so we just want to make sure everything looks good. How does everything sound? And also, it's hot in Texas, so I want to see, will the phone overheat or have any problems filming today? But it looks great on video. Slow pan of the Texas sky. But y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Stay tuned. I'm gonna come back with 4K at 30. And until then, peace. All right, everyone. So this is 4K at 30 frames on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, I'm outside. I'm not in Best Buy doing a video test for you. But shout out to all the people that was doing video tests in Best Buy. But this is outside. Yes, look, I'm just holding the phone, walking around this college campus. At 4K at 30, you do have access to all the lens. So I can go wide angle. I can go telephoto. Look at that. But then if I want to go 20 times zoom, I can actually do so. And that doesn't look too bad. A little shaky there though. So I'm gonna go back to the regular lens. How does that sound? How does everything look? Look, slow pan of the area. It is definitely hot outside. No overheating issues so far. Not yet, at least. But I did do 4K at 60 and 30 for about a minute or so. And no problems. So I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 60. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 60 frames per second on the Pixel 6 Pro. Man, these cameras are pretty impressive. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. At 1080p at 60, I do have access to all the lenses. So there's the telephoto lens and then also the ultra wide. So let's go back to the regular lens. So I'm back at the regular lens now. So it actually works out really good. Man, these cameras, the Google step up the game in video. I would definitely be testing it out against the Fold, maybe the OnePlus 9 Pro. I don't know. Y'all let me know what other phones y'all want to see it against. But so far, I'm definitely liking the cameras. Look at the flowers. But y'all let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna come back with 1080p at 30. Also some photos too. But man, looking good. All right, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, everyone. So this is 1080p at 30 frames on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Look at the flowers. I don't know what y'all think. Everything looks pretty good. That sun is bright though. And at 1080p at 30, yes, I still have access to all of the lenses. So that is the 4-time optical. That's 2 times. And then all the way back to the ultra wide lens. I don't know what y'all thought about the video so far. What y'all think about the mic stuff too? Because so far I think everything looks good. It's kind of windy out here, so definitely want to test out these cameras because, you know, this is the year Google decided to upgrade the camera lenses and hardware. So definitely want to test it out. Plus the Tensor chip, so they can do all their computer photography on there and see how it goes. Man, I'm in the tunnel right now with the wind. But y'all let me know how it sounds. I'm gonna come back with front-facing video soon too. Until then, peace. I'm out. right, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera on the Google Pixel Pro 6 Pro. Yes, this is in 4K at 30. Again, how does that sound? How does everything look? By what I'm seeing on the phone, it looks good. These cameras are really good. Yes, I'm walking down the steps, so that's why I keep on looking down. Let's see if I can look and keep on talking at the same time. But how's the stabilization? Can you vlog with this camera? I think you can, especially in 4K at 30. I just don't know why they didn't do 4K at 60 to keep up with, you know, Samsung and Apple. But 4K at 30, it looks pretty good too. Really does. The background, I always like looking at the background. Look, see the clouds come in there. But y'all let me know what y'all thought. What y'all thought about the video so far. I'm gonna come back with some nighttime video and photos too. Definitely put it to the test, because you know Google has made some major upgrades with the cameras this year, so we want to definitely test them out. Y'all let me know what other videos you want to see. Stay tuned. The nighttime video is coming up next. Until then, peace. Okay, everyone, so this is 4K at 60 frames at nighttime on the Google Pixel 6 Pro. Yes, I'm at my famous parking lot with Big Lots. There y'all go. What y'all thought about the daytime photos and videos? Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. How's the mics on this phone? Look, check out the palm tree. Looks like a pineapple, kind of. Maybe I'm kind of hungry. I want some fruit, but what y'all think about the whole video? Are these cameras any better on the Pixel 6 Pro? I really think so. They are. I really think they are. Sometimes my English gets crazy. Let's zoom in. Look at Walmart. 7 times zoom. For 7 times zoom, that's not too horrible. I'm gonna go back out. But I'm gonna come back with some photos and then also some the front facing video to wrap this up. Until then, peace. I'm out. Y'all have a great day. Okay, everyone, so this is the front-facing camera at 4K at 30 frames on the Pixel 6 Pro. Again, how do I look? How does everything sound? What y'all thought about the video so far? What y'all thought about the 4K at 30 during the day and also at nighttime? What y'all think about these cameras? Y'all let me know. I do these camera tests just because people want to see what the cameras can do, especially on this Pixel 6 Pro, because they had some major upgrades. So y'all let me know what y'all think about it. Yes, I'm still at Big Lots, walking around. If they pull their cameras at nighttime, sometimes they're gonna see, why is this guy walking around holding the phone and talking? But it is what it is. I don't know, how does these cameras look? Y'all let me know. Y'all let me know what y'all thought about this whole video. I definitely want to wrap it up though, because, you know, it's a lot of coverage. But let's have a discussion, a friendly discussion in the comments. Overall, what y'all think about the camera so far on the Pixel 6 Pro. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the 6 Pro. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Ford's Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out.